Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change indicators on your BMW 1 Series. This easy guide will help you replace a faulty bulb quickly and efficiently. First, gather your necessary tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off before beginning any work. Consulting your owner's manual is also a smart first step. Now, let's access the indicator bulb. Begin by opening your car's bonnet and locating the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few screws or clips that secure the housing cover. Once the cover is off, gently disconnect the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. With the old bulb exposed, carefully twist or unclip it from its socket. Be gentle to prevent breaking the glass. Now, take your new indicator bulb and insert it into the empty socket, ensuring it is properly seated and secure. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb. Before fully reassembling, it's crucial to test your new indicator bulb. Turn on your vehicle and activate the indicators to confirm they are working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully replace all covers and clips, ensuring everything is securely fastened. Double-check that all lights are functioning properly for your safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.